Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from Unkert Education here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Dotclear on a Namecheap web hosting account. So I'm in my Namecheap cPanel, which you should get when you have a web hosting account. And to install Dotclear, we're going to go to the Softaculous apps installer. We'll click on that. And we want to go to blogs. Okay. And you see you have WordPress, Serendipity, and then Dotclear. You have a few other ones, B2 Evolution, which isn't maintained anymore, I don't believe. SitePad, pattern, HTML, Y. And what is Dotclear? Well, Dotclear is another blog system. It's an alternative to WordPress, so you may want to try it out. And to install it, it's actually quite easy. We're going to click on Dotclear here. And if the install tab is not highlighted, you want to click on install. And I'm going to go down here and click install now. And you want to pick the domain you want to install it on. I don't have anything on timunkert.net, so I'm going to install it there. You give a site name here. So just say timunkert.net. You're going to give a username. Let's just do Timmy. You probably want to do something better than that. A password. I'm going to copy the password here. Okay, and just give what they give me. First name, I'll keep it as system. Last name is admin. You'd want to change that, change the admin email. And you can email installation instructions too. I would recommend doing that if this was a real install. I'm going to delete this afterwards, obviously, so don't try and hack in the site because it's not going to be installed with this password or anything like that. I'm going to click install. Okay, and that only really took a few seconds to install. And you'll see that we can log in at timunkert.net/admin. So I'm going to check on that. And my username that I put was Timmy. And I want to put in the right password. I've tested out Dotclear before, so I'm just going to paste in the password, click login. And here we go. We've got our Dotclear. I'm not going to save the password. Our Dotclear back end. And to create a new post, it's pretty simple. You just click on new post here and give it a title. Let's just call this new post 1 and just say something like, this is my post. Pretty standard editor. Let's get some lorem ipsum text. Lorem. So do lorem ipsum. Okay, and we'll just copy a little bit to put in our post. Let's just copy some lorem ipsum here. Go back here to our new post in this tab, paste that stuff in. Okay, so we've got a little post there. And we can save it. We can look at the entry status. We can do pending. Let's go publish it. We can do a category here. We can add a new category right below. So we could do that if we want. We could add tags. We could add password protection for the post. So maybe you have a site that has members. You can do that. That's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and save it. And we can go to the site here. And we see we've got the new post here. And you can mess with themes just like anything else. So you have to go to blog appearance here. We've got some themes. We can add themes and so on. We've got a bunch of themes here that you could add to change your post, change your blog type. This is really kind of nice. It's kind of like a simple, this is like your hello world in WordPress. You got the welcome to Dotclear. You can delete out that post, but here's the new post that I put. Very nice, very easy, straightforward, easy to create a blog with Dotclear. If we look at Dotclear here, we can see that November 2023 was the last news. So it's only beginning of January 2024. So you can see it's being actively maintained. And it's a great little system if you want something besides WordPress. Create a great little blog, nice and easy, a little bit more lightweight than WordPress. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.